Next, we're going to be talking about pearl head pins. So these are my pearl head pins. Okay, it's sparkly. Yep, it's mine. I love it. It's my favorite. Oh, yeah. But anyway, that's for another time. But these are them. What we use these for is we can put them into the wigs. We use them at the base of the wigs. We use them everywhere. This is my favorite. For styling, we can bring it down and stick it in. It's stick it in and done. Then I have my black little pin, which is my favorite, absolutely favorite. They also come in the spin wheel, but then they come in multi-tonal colors. And then if you were a person like me, I would go through it, only get the blue and the white ones. So I just get black ones now. This is something that everyone has. I don't know why they use them. The T-head pin. No. No. I hate them. I don't like using them. They get lost in the wigs and they rust. Don't like them.